Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capabilities. Figure out if your LG TV supports Miracast or AirPlay and enable its network features. Once done, switch your phone to the same Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth if required. Make sure the TV's screen sharing app is open. Now open the movie app, tap the Cast or AirPlay icon, and select the LG TV name. You're initiating the handshake. This is why matching networks and active screen sharing matter. They let the devices communicate securely and quickly. You'll now handle the core streaming choices. Pick whether to cast just the video tab, mirror your whole screen, or use AirPlay for system-level streaming. Make sure the TV's input matches the screen sharing app. Use the remote to switch if needed, because the right source prevents black screens. Then optimize quality. Select the highest resolution supported, close background apps on your phone, and disable data saver so bitrate isn't throttled. These steps reduce lag and keep audio in sync with your movie. You finish by ending the cast cleanly. Stop casting on your phone or press home on the TV, then close the streaming app so background processes don't persist. If audio drifts, pause for 5 to 10 seconds and resume. This often resynchronizes buffers. If that fails, switch between AirPlay and Miracast or use a direct HDMI adapter. And if nothing improves, reboot both devices and check for OS or firmware updates. These steps clear persistent glitches and restore reliable casting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.